Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this star I got from Dollar Tree. I paint the back of it as well as the edges with Barn Red acrylic paint. That's by Apple Barrel. The front, I'm just painting that center part because the rest of it will be covered. And that I painted with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly. And then I'm taking this star cutout that is from Dollar General. And I'm just holding it along the scrapbook paper that I got from Temu and taping it down using my X-Acto knife to cut that out. I then take Mod Podge and apply a layer of that to the front. Now I'm placing that star cutout just to get the placement right for the opening in the scrapbook paper. Place down the scrapbook paper and remove that wooden star. Use my heat tool to dry that Mod Podge. I had cut away most of the paper and then sanded off the rest with my micro sander. To open up the hole for the hanger, I just used a small screwdriver. And then I'm taking these rub-on transfers. You can get them from Amazon. They're by Timeless Designs. I cut away one of the images and then place that in that star in the center. I use the tool it comes with to rub on the image. And then I'm slowly peeling back the film from the front, making sure everything's stuck down. I then take Snow Tex. Most craft stores have it. I get it from Amazon. Use a small paintbrush and apply it around that center star border. Once I have that filled in, I use my heat tool to dry that. I then use this burlap type ribbon I got from Walmart, and I'm making a bow. I cut a strip and then folded it together. And then took some twine, wrapped it around the center, pulling it nice and tight. I leave the twine long and then place these rusty bells I got from Amazon on the ends of them. I just pull one knot on each of those and then use tacky glue and apply it to those knots so they don't come apart. I add back in some twine for the hanger, pull it through the hole, and then just knot it, leaving a loop, cutting away the excess. And then I hot glue that bow right below that twine. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.